Hello everyone, this is part 3 of the chapter fraction and decimals, and in this video we are going to solve some questions. So first question is, we have to find the reciprocal of 13 by 9. So we can write it as 9 by 13. This will be the reciprocal of this one. Number 2, we have to find the reciprocal of 8. So we can write it as 8 by 1. So reciprocal will be 1 by 8. Next we have to evaluate the value of number 1, 5 whole divided by 3 whole 4 by 7. So we can write it as 5 divided by, first work is to change this mixed fraction into improper fraction, so it will be 25 by 7. Now we will convert this division symbol to multiply. So when we will do that, this one will get reversed, that means it will be 7 by 25, or it will be 7 by 5. Now if you want, you can change it in mixed fraction, or you can write 1 whole 2 by 5. Next, number 2 is 2 whole 5 by 8 divided by 1 whole 1 by 6. So for that we will change both of them into improper fraction. So it will be 21 by 8 divided by 7 by 6. After that we will write 21 by 8 into 6 by 7. So it will be 9 by 4. Or if you want to change it in mixed fraction, it will be 2 whole 1 by 4. Next question is, by what number we should multiply 4 whole 7 by 8 to get 87 whole 3 by 4. That means what number we will multiply to 4 whole 7 by 8 means equal to 87 3 by 4. This is our equation. That means we have to divide 87 3 by 4 divided by 4 whole 7 by 8. So first work is to change mixed fraction into improper fraction. So it will be 351 by 4 divided by 39 by 8. Now we will solve it. It will be 351 by 4 into 8 by 39. So when you will solve it, you will get the answer 18. The cost of 5 whole 1 by 4 kg apples is rupees 336. So what is the rate of apples per kg? So what we will do, we will write 336 divided by 5 whole 1 by 4, or we can write 336 divided by 21 by 4, or 336 into 4 by 21. So when you will solve it, you will get the answer 64. That means the rate of apples per kg is rupees 64. If the cost of 5 whole 1 by 2 kg of sugar is rupees 206 whole 1 by 4, Then find the cost of 8 whole 1/4 kg of sugar. So it's better to use unitary method. So first of all, change the mixed fraction into improper fraction. It will be, if 11/2 kg of sugar cost rupees 825/4, then 1 kg of sugar cost rupees 825/4 by 11/2, or we can write it as 825/4 into 11 into 2. Then 33/4 kg of sugar cost rupees 825 into 2 into 33 by 4 into 11 into 4. So when you will solve it, you will get the answer rupees 309 whole 3/8. Renu completed 2/3 part of her homework in 2 hours. So how much part of her homework had she complete in 1 whole 1/4 hours? So we will use unitary method again. So in 2 hours she is completing 2/3 part. So in 1 hour she will complete 2/3/2 part, or we can write it as 2/3 into 2 part. And in 1 whole 1/4, that means 5/4 hour, she will complete 2 into 5 by 3 into 2 into 4. So when you will solve it, you will get the answer 5/12 part. Now hope this video is helpful for you. Wait for the next part. Till then, thank you.